Academic Search Premier is one of our most popular databases and a great place to start academic research. To search, type what you're looking for into the search box. Let's try searching Salem Witch Trials. As you type, the database offers suggestions for search terms and also helps with spelling. When you're done typing, hit Search. As you can see, the first 3 hits all contain the phrase Salem Witch Trials, but only the third one seems to be really about the witch trials. As you scroll through the list of results, you will see many more articles about the witch trials. Some of them, like number 8, An Unholy Mess, you can read immediately in the database because it is full text. Number 9, Reproducing Witchcraft, isn't in this database, but you can find it in another database that Salem State owns by clicking the orange button, Find Full Text. Salem State does not own number 7, I Am a Gospel Woman, but we can get it for you from another library through interlibrary loan. If you would like this article, click on the link, Request this item through interlibrary loan. This search returned almost 300 hits. You can reduce that number by limiting your search results. Limiters can be found on the left side of the page. You can limit to full text, which gives you results you can read right away. You can also limit by source type. Your professor might ask you to find scholarly articles or academic journals. In another class, you may need newspaper articles. Let's click on academic journals. You can see that by limiting it to full text and academic journals, there are now 28 hits. To read an article, just click on the title. Let's read number 7, Witchcraft or Mycotoxin, the Salem Witch Trials. This will take you to a PDF of the article. You can read this article right now in your browser. Look to the icons on the right-hand side. These will allow you to print, download, or email the article to yourself. When you find an article you like, be sure to save, print, or email it to yourself so that you can access it again later. To get back to your list of search results, look at the blue banner in the top of the screen and click Result List in the upper left. From here, you can continue to browse and look at other articles. You can also find a new search and explore advanced search features by clicking on Advanced Search. Have a question? Need more help? Reach out to a research and instruction librarian.